What's going on, boaters? We are inside a fresh new trade, a 2015 Crestliner. This is going to be your family's perfect fishing boat this summer. It's not going to stick around long. It is powered by a Mercury 200. This boat only has 88 hours on it, so much fishing life left in it. Let's check it out. You have 4 seats back here along with your table. You can take that out and put it away if you want the extra room in here. You have a live well under these seats. Lots of storage for your fishing rods. So you have storage in here, along in the center as well. In the front, you have cushions that cover the whole area. So if you're not fishing and you want to relax, you can do that. Or you can take the cushions out, put them away, and you have your nice fishing platform as well. If you want to see more features on this boat, check it out at MarineMax.com or come visit us at MarineMax Nisswa, and let's get you this fishing boat this summer.